Hello everyone and welcome to my new video Bellinzona, the Three Castles City. Please stay till the end, it will be entertaining and interesting. Bellinzona is the capital of the southern Italian-speaking Swiss canton of Ticino. Bellinzona is known for its three medieval castles. Since 2000, the castles, together with the Murata defensive wall, have been a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The lower castle is called Castelgrande with the Murata defensive wall, the middle castle Castello di Montebello and the upper castle Castello di Sasso Corbaro. Bellinzona is probably the most Italian city in Switzerland. The skyline is formed by the mighty fortifications made up of three of the best preserved medieval castles in Switzerland. The three castles of Bellinzona are a fortification. The system in its current form was mainly built in the 15th century as a dam and to control the access routes to the Alpine passes. Castelgrande Castle was built in the 13th century and expanded and built over several times in the following centuries. Today the castle contains a museum with an archaeological collection and a restaurant. Murata is a defensive wall of Castelgrande Castle, as an obstacle adjoins the Castelgrande to the west and follows the course of a natural rock ridge with slight changes in direction. His task was to block the bottom of the valley between the castle and the Ticino River. Castello di Montebello was built in the 14th century above the town on a rocky outcrop at an altitude of 313 meters above sea level. The floor plan is in the form of a shifted rhombus, with the city walls adjoining the two obtuse corners. Today the castle contains an archaeological museum with finds from Bellinzona and the surrounding area. The Castello di Sasso Corbaro was built in the 14th century above the town on a rocky outcrop at an altitude of 458 meters above sea level. Today the castle is used for temporary exhibitions, and since 1989 it has also housed the Sala Emma-Poglia, a 17th century stately hall of great historical value with Baroque paneling and a soapstone stove. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then show it with a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel completely free of charge. Bye. See you next time.